Creating wooden crafts to make money offers a multitude of benefits that extend beyond mere financial gain. For many artisans, the practice is a fulfilling blend of creativity, craftsmanship, and entrepreneurship. The advantages of engaging in wooden crafting encompass aspects such as personal satisfaction, market demand, sustainability, and the opportunity to build a brand, among others. One of the most significant benefits of creating wooden crafts is the personal satisfaction derived from the process. The act of transforming raw wood into a tangible, beautiful product allows artisans to express their creativity and skills. Many find joy in the meticulous work involved in crafting, from selecting the right piece of wood to applying the final finishes. This hands-on engagement fosters a deep connection to the materials and the finished product, making the work not just a means to an end but a fulfilling endeavor in itself. The sense of accomplishment that comes with creating something unique can be incredibly rewarding, enhancing overall well-being. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of wooden craft ideas and wood projects ideas to make money fast as a woodworker. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. In addition to personal satisfaction, wooden crafts have a strong market demand. The trend toward handmade, artisanal products has surged in recent years as consumers increasingly seek unique items that reflect their individual tastes. Wooden crafts, with their natural beauty and durability, resonate with buyers looking for authenticity in a world saturated with mass-produced goods. This demand presents a lucrative opportunity for artisans to monetize their skills. Whether it's through local craft fairs, online platforms, or social media, there are numerous avenues for reaching potential customers who appreciate the quality and artistry involved in handcrafted wooden items. Moreover, the market for wooden crafts is diverse, allowing artisans to explore various niches. From home decor and kitchen accessories to toys and personalized gifts, the possibilities are virtually limitless. This diversity enables crafters to tailor their products to specific audiences, which can lead to greater success. By identifying a target market and honing in on its preferences, artisans can create pieces that not only appeal to consumers, but also stand out in a crowded marketplace. This strategic approach can enhance sales and establish a loyal customer base. Another compelling reason to create wooden crafts is the sustainability associated with using wood as a primary material. In an era where eco-consciousness is becoming increasingly important, wooden crafts allow artisans to align their work with their values. Many consumers are actively seeking sustainable products, and wood, when sourced responsibly, is a renewable resource. Artisans can choose to use reclaimed or sustainably harvested wood, thereby minimizing their environmental impact and appealing to eco-friendly consumers. This commitment to sustainability can enhance the brand's reputation and attract a customer base that prioritizes ethical practices. The financial aspect of creating wooden crafts is also noteworthy. While the initial investment in tools and materials may seem daunting, the potential for profit can be significant. Once artisans establish their craft and streamline their processes, they can produce items efficiently, often leading to higher profit margins. As skills improve, so does the quality of the work, allowing for higher pricing on finished pieces. This financial return not only compensates for the time and effort invested, but also provides an opportunity for reinvestment into the business, whether through the purchase of better tools, additional training, or marketing efforts. Building a brand around wooden crafts can further enhance profitability. A strong brand identity helps artisans differentiate their work in a competitive market and fosters customer loyalty. By developing a unique style and story behind their creations, artisans can create a narrative that resonates with consumers. This emotional connection can lead to repeat business, as customers feel a personal attachment to the brand. The use of social media and online platforms provides an excellent opportunity to share this story and engage with a wider audience. Artisans can showcase their process, share behind-the-scenes glimpses, and connect with customers on a personal level, further solidifying their brand identity. Networking within the crafting community can also provide valuable support and opportunities. Many artisans find that engaging with other crafters and participating in local events fosters a sense of community. This networking can lead to valuable collaborations, sharing of resources, and even mentorship opportunities. By connecting with other creators, artisans can gain insights into industry trends, marketing strategies, and best practices, enhancing their overall business acumen. This sense of belonging can be motivating and encouraging, making the journey of creating wooden crafts feel less isolating and more collaborative. Moreover, creating wooden crafts allows artisans to hone their skills continually. The woodworking craft is one that requires practice and dedication, and as artisans create more pieces, they become more proficient. This ongoing skill development not only enhances the quality of the work, but also opens new avenues for creativity. Experienced artisans may find themselves experimenting with different techniques, designs, or finishes, pushing the boundaries of their craft. This evolution can lead to innovative products that capture the interest of consumers and keep the work fresh and exciting. The personal connections formed through the process of crafting also play a significant role in the benefits of creating wooden crafts. Many artisans find joy in making personalized items for customers, often crafting pieces that commemorate special occasions or milestones. This aspect of woodworking can foster a deeper emotional connection between the artisan and the buyer, as each piece carries its own story and significance. The ability to create meaningful gifts can lead to a fulfilling experience for both the creator and the recipient, reinforcing the value of handcrafted items in a consumer landscape that often prioritizes convenience over sentiment. Additionally, the ability to diversify product offerings can provide financial stability for artisans. By creating a range of wooden crafts, crafters can mitigate risks associated with seasonal fluctuations or changes in consumer preferences. For instance, while certain items may sell well during specific times of the year, others may remain consistent throughout. This diversity allows artisans to adapt to market demands while maintaining a steady income stream. The flexibility to pivot and explore new ideas can keep the business dynamic and responsive, further enhancing its long-term viability. The therapeutic aspects of woodworking should not be overlooked either. Many artisans find that the act of crafting serves as a form of stress relief and mindfulness. The focus required to work with wood can provide a meditative experience, allowing artisans to escape from the pressures of daily life. This mental clarity can enhance creativity, leading to more innovative designs and solutions. The simple act of shaping wood can also be immensely satisfying, providing a sense of accomplishment that contributes to overall well-being. In a world increasingly dominated by technology, creating wooden crafts can also provide a valuable counterbalance. Many people yearn for tangible, handcrafted items that reflect a personal touch. Engaging in woodworking allows artisans to step away from screens and embrace the physicality of their craft. This connection to the material world can foster a sense of grounding and fulfillment, reinforcing the importance of craftsmanship in a rapidly changing environment. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked wooden craft ideas and wood projects ideas to make money fast as a woodworker. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.